In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off dark mode on Pipedrive. Whether you're someone who prefers a brighter workspace or simply wants a change, I've got you covered with this easy-to-follow guide. We'll go step by step, ensuring that by the end of this video, you'll be navigating Pipedrive in its light theme, which may be easier on the eyes for some users during long work sessions. Let's dive in. First things first, once you're logged into your Pipedrive account, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll spot the My Account section. Clicking on this will take you deeper into your account settings, marking the beginning of customizing your Pipedrive experience. Within your account settings, you'll come across an option labeled Personal Preferences. Go ahead and click on this. This section is designed for fine-tuning how Pipedrive looks and behaves, allowing you to tailor it to your personal work style. Our next focus is on interface adjustments. Look for and click on Interface Preferences. This area in Pipedrive provides you with the tools to adjust the appearance of your dashboard, among other features. Essentially, it's all about making your Pipedrive environment as comfortable for you as possible. Here's where we reach the crucial step, changing from dark mode to light mode. In the Interface Preferences, you'll notice a drop-down menu dedicated to the theme. Give it a click. It might currently be set to dark, which is why you're experiencing the dark mode theme. So, let's reverse that. Instead of selecting the dark option, you'll want to avoid it entirely. Since we're aiming to deactivate dark mode, you'll let it default back to light mode, or simply choose the standard or light option available in the drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, don't forget the last and most important step, saving your changes. You should see a Save option somewhere on the screen. Be sure to click on it to make certain that all the changes you've implemented to switch off dark mode take effect and are maintained. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to switch off dark mode in Pipedrive, giving your sales pipeline a fresh, bright look that might just make those long hours of navigating deals and contacts a bit more visually comfortable. Always remember, it's about crafting an environment that works best for you. Feel free to experiment with Pipedrive's customization options until you discover what suits you most. Whether you prefer dark mode to lessen eye strain under low light conditions, or opt for light mode for a crisp, clear view during the day, Pipedrive has you covered. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope it's been helpful. Don't hesitate to revisit any steps if needed, and happy selling with Pipedrive.